Welcome to one channel. We have roll-up floor and bottom, quick inflating valve, and removable tracer. Press and turn one of the valves. It's deflating after a short while. Then turn the valve to right and stop deflating. Only this air chamber is deflected and others are full. Next, rotate the communication valve. The gas between two air chambers will be connected. When one of the air chambers is leaking, other air chambers can transfer gas to this broken one. It will make sure the safety. Add the quick inflating valve. When use air boat to inflate, it only needs 26 for 3.9 meters boat to inflate well. This really saves time a lot. Do you have experience that transfer is broken and can't use anymore? Oner provides removable tracer. You can really replace it. When the old one is broken, take out the old one and put the new one in. Any questions? Feel free to contact us.